on how to grow your channel. This is your host, Real Sykes, and welcome to Freedom. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive into it. Tip number 1. Provide unique content. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when I say this, I simply try to provide content that simply has never been done before. A good outlet for this would be indie games. Nobody wants to see copy and paste, so once again, to provide your viewers and the YouTube community with material that they have never seen before. Tip number 2. Upload consistently. Now by this, I simply mean that you have to upload on a set schedule, that way your viewers know exactly when your video will be live. For instance, on my channel, I upload every single day at 6:30 a.m. So once again, if you upload consistently, your viewers will know when the video is live and they'll want to watch it the second it's uploaded. Tip number 3. Thumbnails. This is one of the biggest things on YouTube, and a lot of people fail to do such a thing. For instance, on thumbnails, and when you're scrolling through the videos, you're going to see a thumbnail that probably has text, it's vibrant, it has colors, and 9 times out of 10 you will click that because it appeals to you, it looks professional, and it looks nice. A good outlet for this would be Adobe Photoshop, as you guys can make any thumbnail that you desire. For instance, on my thumbnails, I use a lot of yellow gradients. It pops out from the other thumbnails and it looks really professional. Tip number 4. Editing software. I use Sony Vegas Pro 12, however you can use Adobe After Effects or Sony Vegas. A good outlet for this would be background music. Try to introduce yourself in a professional manner. Try to tell your audience what the video is going to be about. Add fade inputs and fade outputs, that way the video goes from dark to light, and just try to do a whole lot of editing things that simply has never been done before, rather than just a simple video with nothing behind it. Tip number 5. Tag properly. For example, Call of Duty Ghosts just released a DLC that had Michael Myers, for instance, so if you're going to make a video about Michael Myers, try to put a bunch of Michael Myers tags in there. Put the Call of Duty DLC map names in there. Put Call of Duty New DLC. That way when people are searching up DLC ideas or Call of Duty DLC, your video will pop up higher. And then last but not least, tip number 6. Partner with a good network. A great example would be Freedom. We have a whole bunch of sub-networks and we have many benefits of joining Freedom. For instance, we have every single channel as a managed channel, we have no lock-in agreements, you can increase your rev share, and absolutely so much more. If you're interested in joining Freedom, simply visit the link down below. As always guys, this is your host Real Sykes. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.
Dreams come true, you just gotta put that work in. We ain't clocking out, every moment niggas working. Eliminate the squares if your circle isn't working. Then you gotta ask yourself, is it even worth it? Is it worth it?